What is paintless dent repair? You use plungers and you just suck the dent out, right? Or suction cups. That's what you use. Suction cups are really good tools. They work great in the shower and on the mirror in your bathroom. And the man who invented the plunger was a genius. There's a very good reason why it sits next to most toilets. Because it works extremely well at its intended function. Suction cups and plungers were designed for a specific purpose, and it does not include paintless dent repair. It would be like trying to paint your house with a bicycle pump. Not the right tools for the job. So if plungers and suction cups don't work, then what is paintless dent repair? It involves two very different types of tools. The first, tools that work behind the body panel. Here are just a few examples of the many different shapes and sizes of tools that we use to fix the dents in your vehicle. Watch closely in this time-lapse video as the technician uses multiple tools to repair a dent in the rear door of a Lexus SUV. The second type of tools work above the body panel. These tools include using a hot glue gun and glue specifically designed for paintless dent repair. The heated glue is then applied to tabs as seen here in the green, blue, and black. Then the tab is applied to the vehicle and lifted. The process is repeated over and over again until the dent is successfully removed. What kind of results can I expect when these two different types of tools are used together? Look at the crease in the back door of this Volvo XC90. And here is the finished product. Look at the roof of this Chevy Cruze after a hailstorm. Paintless dent repair completely removes the damage caused by the hail. What if I go out and buy the tools? Can I do it myself? If you bought a scalpel and scrubs, would that qualify you to do this? It takes years of schooling and practice to become a surgeon. The same thing can be said about paintless dent repair. It takes years of schooling and practice to provide quality repairs. Paintless dent repair is a craft, and if you have a dent in your vehicle, please contact us at 910-556-3464 or visit us at whatdings.com.